Yeah, Timmy ended up getting the Kitching hot rod race car that used to run at New England, well, Sanford and all the other drag ships around New England. It's a pretty historical car. Timmy's going to try and recreate it. If anybody knows where they can get a 32 Ford Roadster body, all steel, Henry Ford steel, pretty cheap, give them a call. Or message me, I'll get a hold of them. Okay.
So there's the car in 58.
I'm getting a glare off it. There you go. That's good.
This was the article in that magazine.
Got a lot of history to it, huh?
Also featured in this one.
Was in that one?
Yeah, also 1958.
Oh yeah.
And they were shown together with the Norm Wallace car. They were buddies, so they parked together at the Hartford Autorama.
That's neat. We went once, remember? The Hartford Autorama.
There's the engine. The car wasn't finished at the show. His friends talked him into bringing it anyway. Probably never find that blower, but
yeah,
I'll keep looking. It's made of unobtainium.
Unobtainium, yeah.
Yeah.
There it is again.
That's it there.
Yeah.
I'm also looking for these Columbus shocks. I found a pair, but they're a little too long.
Yeah, you said that that blower, you found one for 13 grand?
Yeah, on eBay, 13.6. Wow. It's beautiful. It's all polished, but...
Well, Speedway's building a blower that looks an awful lot like that, you know. I don't know how much it is.
Well, you can get a brand new reproduction one, but I think they're 8 grand.
There's a 471, so, I think.
This was at Sanford. These are from Don Collins' collection. And there's pictures of it from Sanford. Different versions. This wasn't all the same day. This one had the stock heads with 2 carbs. This one here is with the blower. So this is probably the look I'm going to go for. Yeah, that's not this car. That's the original color 58 Cadillac Dakota Red.
Yeah, we're kind of chuckling. We asked it. It's kind of an oxymoron saying, trying to find a 32 Henry Steel Roadster. Reasonable. That's nearly impossible.
This is in Cool Cars and Square Roll Bars book. That's it, with the blower, and that's him in it. And then there's another picture of it with the blower and stock heads.
Hey, you still get the moon hubcaps.
The last time he raced it, he had the engine in the driver's compartment and he sat in the trunk.
Unbelievable.
But I've talked to him on the phone. He doesn't remember how fast it went.
Yeah, he's out in California now.
Yep.
And he's Bonneville racing.
Yeah.
Yeah, the car he's got today is even in the rule book, right? This is the rule book?
Yeah.
That's the one he's
racing.
The car runs
198.8, and it's an original Henry Steel body.
How old is he now?
I believe 84.
84 years old, and he's still racing at Bonneville for just under 200 miles an hour.
No offense, Norm, if you're watching this, giving your age away.
Torque tube. Still got the moon hubcaps. Yeah, you're going to see Tommy's Model A at the end of this video, because yesterday I didn't have any volume, no sound at all, so we had to redo it. Here's the other one. Like I said before, I said if I told him when he gets it done, I just throw it in an enclosed trailer and bring it to the Detroit Autorama, I wouldn't drive it. Boy, that is nice. Get the rear end if I can get it. Oh yeah, here's the dash. Now you said that dash you can see through, right? It's it's a light lit up.
That's the club logo. It's actually pressed into the dash, and that's my high beam lights. But it looks so cool when they're on. I'm going to put it on with my headlights all the time.
Yeah, I would too.
It just looks cool.
Boy, the floor's nice in this thing too. Everything. Boy, he did an unbelievable job. Yeah, John Manning did the body work and paint on this thing. Guy's unbelievable. Oh, that's the that's the holes for the lights.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Actually, I have a red light in the middle and yellow on both ends. So it actually, and it's like a little halo around the flames.
Yeah, directional and high beam.
It's just high beam.
Yeah. And here's the chrome parts from Advanced Plating. I think I said this before, they're unbelievable. Here's the drive shaft, match the rear end. And here's some more parts. Here's the pedal assembly and the master cylinder. The dashboard. What's that out of again?
50 Pontiac.
50 Pontiac. Spreader bar. More parts. There's the roll bar. Polished stainless. Yeah, his grill.
Looks. Everybody thinks this is an aftermarket grill, but it's
a real one.
Yeah.
Timmy did the body work himself on this one. Unbelievable.
It's collecting dust now.
Yeah, it's dusty.
Got that.
Here's the engine. It's out at Ross Motors. Hopefully he's going to pick it up next week. Steering wheel. But that looks nice. I like that two-tone. One. Here's a transmission. This is what he started with on the red one. Used to be an ice racer. And that picture there was an old school rods. That's another iteration of it. What, he had 5 different bodies? This is a Nami Wallace car that was in the magazines with the other one in the other garage. That thing's won all kinds of awards. And this is the car Timmy had that I'm mad at him because he didn't tell me he was going to sell it. I told him if you ever wanted to sell it to let me know. Patches on that thing?
Oh, there's like 15 cars in there.
There's about 15 cars in that body. It was done by Jonathan Bradstreet, all freehand. I can't believe it. Timmy even has the Nami Wallace plate. Wow.